In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva's Grab Text Magic Studio feature. Now, with all of the Magic Studio features, if we click up here, with all of these just here, they are a pro feature. Now, if you want to try out 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase after the 30 days, then I will make a small commission. So, the Grab Text feature is just here. This is one of the features from the Magic Studio suite. Now, to use this is really simple, and it comes in extremely handy if you have text on an image that you want to change. Now, to use it is very simple. We click on the image, come up to Edit Photo, then all we have to do is click on Grab Text. It's going to take a few seconds to do its thing. Then every part of your image which has text will be completely customizable. So now, if we click on here, we can change that. We can click on here, we can change that as well. And we can change all of this as well. Now, the great thing about this is that when Canva grabs the text from the image, what they actually try and do is match up the original text or match up the original font with a font here in Canva. So it's not going to be exactly the same font which was on the original, but it's going to be pretty close. Now, I have another image here. Let's try this. We'll go to Edit Photo, come down to Grab Text. We're going to give it a second for Canva to do its thing. And there we go. Now we can see that with this one, it didn't actually do a very good job. But nonetheless, we could go in now and change everything on this image. Now I have one more image just here. We're going to click on this, go to Edit Photo, click on Grab Text. We're going to leave it a second. And now Canva's done its thing, and all of this is completely customizable. So now what I could actually do is click on here, come up to the fonts, and we could start changing the text on this image to any font here in Canva or any of your own fonts that you've uploaded as well, as we can see just here. But that's just how easy it is to use the Canva Grab Text feature here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.